Salvete, Magister Piazza here again with another installment of how to sing a fun song in your Latin class or with your Latin friends or whatever. Today's selection is Journey's Don't Stop Believin'. This is not only a classic in English, but we are lucky to have an excellent translation done by Magister Luke Henderson, who taught at Santa Monica High for many years and put together the Samo High songbook, which is still available. You can find it online in places. I've taken that excellent translation and I've changed a few things to make it more singable, at least based on my own sense of how the song goes with the syllables and all of that. So I will have a link to that text right down there in the description of this video. So it's always good to go through the chorus with students and just any heads up, etc. So I like to go through the chorus first with them, and it's also something that people can sing along in the chorus if they're not ready to sing along in the whole thing, whatever that is. So here's what the chorus sounds like as far as I do it with my students, okay? And I'm really careful in the pronunciation. So, and that's also why I have the hyphens in different places. So here we go. The chorus sounds like this. Huc va gantes, aciluc peregrinantes, umbrae, petunt quicquid nesciunt, angi portus, celant quaerentes errantes, tene, brosi petentes. And I kind of go like that. So you can practice that. And the Sing King Karaoke is the one that I have. I pull up. I've also made a note of how many bars each interlude is, because most of them are 8 bars, but the second interlude, instrumental interlude, is only 4 bars. So you kind of have to be ready for that when Working Hard to Get My Fill comes in, or Vita est Magnus Ludus again. Okay, so let's jump in right now and let's hear what it sounds like, at least done by my interpretation. Here we go. And I'll do a countdown here, right? Puella rustico, sola ete parvo vico, nocturno tramine vecta quolibet, et modo juvenis, educatus detroitensis, nocturno tramine vectus quolibet. 8 bars. Enjoy Neil Schoen's Fast Fingers. Cantatur in tabernaque, fumo vino unguentoque, et venerat nuente redolet, dolet, 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 huc va gantes, aciluc peregrinantes, umbrae, petunt quicquid nesciunt, angi portus, celant quaerentes errantes, tene, brosi petentes. Remember, it's only 4 bars. vita est magnus ludus, luditur omnibus, ad mensam arcesiti nos aleatum. Alii vincentur, alii victoriam ferent, sic et facit fortuna ipsa, sic et fit vita, gantes, aciluc peregrinantes, umbrae, petunt quicquid nesciunt, angi portus, celant quaerentes errantes, prosipetentes. Whoops. Guitar solo. Again, not too many notes. It's memorable. Not bad. And then we do this probably twice before I kind of fade out. Nedes peretis, creduli fietis, vobis secundas res fore. One more time. Nedes peretis, creduli fietis, vobis secundas res fore. Then I might kind of fade out and stop the thing, and then I'll say, Plaudite, wuita. All right, I hope this helps you make sense of this song and maybe encourages you to use this song and others in your Latin speaking, learning, singing community. Until next time, valete omnes.